At Corlink, we believe in building strong partnerships with our clients. It all begins with a meeting where we listen to our clients' requirements and vision for their garments. Once the order is received, our dedicated team springs into action. Our experienced team carefully reviews the order and conducts discussions for non-regular orders to ensure every detail is taken into account. Raw material is the backbone of quality garments. Our team ensures that only the best materials are used, which are carefully checked and received in our warehouse. We have different sections in our warehouse to store different types of materials, making it easy for our team to access the required material for each order. The cutting process is a crucial step in garment manufacturing. Our skilled workers use advanced cutting techniques to ensure precise cuts, minimizing wastage and maximizing efficiency. A highly skilled team then brings the cut pieces together, stitching them with precision using the state-of-the-art sewing machines. Quality is our top priority. Each garment goes through a meticulous finishing process where our skilled team inspects, irons, and ensures that every stitch is in place. Once the garments pass our stringent quality checks, they're carefully packed, weighed, and prepared for dispatch. We believe in delivering excellence from start to finish. Our efficient system generates invoices and prepares the order for dispatch, ensuring timely delivery to our valued clients. At Corlink, we take pride in our commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction. Trust us to bring your garment ideas to life. Contact us today to begin your journey with us.